Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue exploring the features of Syncfusion Angular Scheduler. In this video, we will walk through how resources and grouping works in the Syncfusion Angular Scheduler and explore how you can efficiently schedule people, rooms, or anything that needs a dedicated slot. You define resources in the resources collection using few key properties. Name identifies the type of resource. Field links your appointments to that resource. Text field displays its label. Color field gives its appointments a consistent color. So, when the scheduler renders, every resource appears with its own name and color-coded appointments, making the entire schedule easy to scan at a glance. Sometimes an appointment belongs to more than one resource. Just enable Allow Multiple and users select several resources at once. The scheduler then automatically creates all the required appointments, keeping everything perfectly synced. You can also add and remove resources dynamically using the Add Resource and Remove Resource methods. Use Allow Group Edit to edit a shared event across multiple resources in a single action. Need to organize these resources? Grouping makes everything easy to follow. Calendar views display resources vertically, while timeline views show expandable rows. You can group your schedule in several ways. Single-level grouping places all resources side by side and uses their color field to differentiate appointments. Hierarchical grouping allows you to create relationships such as projects, categories, by defining both resource names in the group property. To display every category under all projects without ID-based mapping, set by group ID as false. You can also group resources under each date column by enabling by date, and keep the view clean by hiding days with no scheduled resources using Hide Non-Working Days. Need different schedules for different resources? Custom Workdays field lets you set custom working days. And Start Hour field and End Hour field define their working hours. And in timeline views, Expanded field controls whether resource rows start open or collapsed. Visual clarity matters, and the scheduler gives you a lot of flexibility. Want event colors based on a specific resource level? Just override them with Resource Color field. Use Resource Header Template to customize resource headers, or use multi-column layouts in timeline views to show extra details like capacity or type. Need more context on hover? Header Tooltip Template adds helpful tooltip details. And of course, everything adapts beautifully to mobile. When multiple resources are involved, the scheduler automatically switches to a compact view, showing one resource at a time with a tree view for quick switching. Prefer the full layout? Just set Enable Compact View as false. Want the mobile-style adaptive layout on desktop, complete with a navigation drawer and a Quick Add button? Just turn on Enable Adaptive UI. So far, you've seen how resources and grouping in the Angular Scheduler help you group appointments by category, keeping your schedule clean and organized.